I'm Alice, and today I'm checking out some of the best boozers in Sydney on this half-day group tour, and it's all thanks to Isengo.
Today we'd be going to a Inner West brewery, we'll also be going to a distillery, and we'll also be going to an urban winemaker. In the Inner West there's a real sense of collaboration. It's kind of the golden triangle of breweries, that's the easiest way to put it. There's about 6 breweries on 2 streets that I can think of. It is basically water, makes up the main part of it. You've got hops, then you've got malt, also yeast. All different parts of your tongue should light up with different flavours, swirl it all around, and you'll get the most out of it. You might just do a brewery tour, you might do a wine tour. At least this way you get to try all 3 products, plus you get to talk to the people behind the scenes.
This boozy tour is designed to take you to those great lesser-known places that are hard to reach and hard to find on your own. Along the way, you'll get to know the people that make these venues happen.
What you're in now is literally Australia's first urban winery. So all of my fruit comes from the southern part of New South Wales. As a state, we collectively produce 36% of Australia's wine. So the first 2 wines we've got today are the Sauv Blanc and Chardonnay.
A lot of the people, when they hit Sydney, they go straight to the CBD because of the harbour and everything, but there's also great pockets outside that they might not be able to find on their own, and that's where we come in and we can show them other gems that they might be missing.
What makes this tour a real standout is all the people you get to know throughout the Arvo. Your guide makes sure the group's atmosphere is always fun on this exciting jaunt through Sydney's hidden spots.
Because that's kind of hard to chew on and you want to get the sugar out of it, what they do is they put it through a mill. If you want to have a little taste of the juice.
Aussies love a beer, they love a chat over beer, they love a laugh over a beer. It's just ingrained in us, it's just very much part of our culture, and it's something that I certainly adhere to, probably a bit too much.
See ya!